In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your balance in Hostinger. If you want to quickly see the balance available in your Hostinger account, the process is very simple and only takes a few moments. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to go and what to look for once you're inside your account. To begin, make sure you're logged in to your Hostinger account dashboard. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top right corner. There you'll find your profile icon. This is the area that gives you access to your personal account settings and account-related options. Go ahead and click the profile icon. A menu will open showing several account options. From that menu, click on Billing. This will take you to the billing section of your Hostinger account, where you can manage payment-related details and review account financial information. After the billing page loads, look for the Payment Methods tab and click on it. This section is where Hostinger displays the payment options connected to your account, and it also shows your Hostinger balance. Once you're in the Payment Methods tab, you'll be able to see the Hostinger balance listed there. That balance reflects the funds currently available in your account, depending on how your billing setup is configured. If you came here just to confirm whether you have available credit or balance on the account, this is the exact place to check it. And that's it. That's how to check your balance in Hostinger. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see the information, give the page a moment to fully load and make sure you're in the correct tab, since the billing area can contain multiple sections. It's also a good idea to double-check that you're signed into the right account if you manage more than one hosting account. This is a very straightforward task, but knowing where to find your Hostinger balance can save time, especially when you're preparing to make a purchase, renew a service, or review your account funds. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to check your balance in Hostinger.